So guys, I wanted to show you how it took me 3 minutes to complete my makeup. Well, I know that you saw that I had prepped my face. Yes, I did, but that's just the easy part of it. Look at me. So I'm on my way to a video shoot right now, a photo shoot should say, with the family, and Kushane pissed me off. He's not here. I had to take care of all the kids by myself. Guys, we have 4 beautiful girls. He wasn't here. He decided to get a haircut like last minute, and I had to do it on my own. But you know what? I'm a mom. I got this, and I'm well prepared and trained. So in the case of emergency, when Kushane feels like he wants to step out and go do his haircut on the last minute. Anyways, yeah, it took me like 3 minutes to get this makeup done. Well, to get the most part of it. So to be honest, it's not 3 minutes, guys. I just said that because I wanted y'all to be like, whoa, let me see. But it's more than 3 minutes. But it was a really quick one though. I wasn't doing much, I was just making sure I contour. I got my concealer, my foundation, and as you can see, I just blend. So that's what I really did. Ooh, duck mouth. Once you're a makeup artist, you got to do that, and you got to look around and see what's happening, see who's looking at you, see, oh, right here, this is where you look for the that bony part of your jaw, that part that gives you that little fierce look. Yes. Who's keep on watching me? Okay, all right, I got this. Anyways, guys, so I got to get this done. Kushane is here now. He's in the bathroom taking a shower, but like I said, I got this. So I hope y'all enjoy this video. There was just a quick, I guess, me talking about makeup right here. Just, I don't know. However, guys, I hope you enjoy the video. As I said, we're gonna do photo shoot. You're gonna see the exact photos, all the photos, and it's a Christmas type of photo because we're going with the red and the black. And as you can see, Kushane picked out the outfit. Yes, he did. Do not say it was Chrissy, guys. It was Kushane. Kushane picked out the outfit and he did all of that on his own without me. Guys, you really believe that Kushane did all of that? No, he's not gonna do it. He's gonna sit around a computer, edit, try to make music, do something else apart from go and get the family outfit. That's my job. I'm a shopaholic. I love to spend. Right? So yes, that is what is happening right here. So after this video, you're gonna see when we popped up at the location for the photo shoot, and then from the photo shoot, because the photo shoot only took like 5 to 6 minutes, guys, but it was some really great. Oh yeah, that's my palette. Go check it out at WatchCrissyWork.com. I only use my product, guys, unless it is like foundation, because I haven't come up with a foundation line yet, or a concealer. I'm working on stuff though. And that skincare line is coming, guys. I promise you. My daughter using it, my husband using it. Yo, it's popping. Anyways, yes, your girl cute. You see that? Yes. Oh.
Alright, guys, my makeup is done. Like literally 20 minutes. So we have to leave out right now. I'm gonna wear red lips. So I'll put this on in the car.